Hi everybody, here are the three things that are going to be on the final exam here in fall 2022. Starting with Greensleeves Melody. Make sure you're using rest strokes down here. Try to alternate your fingers. And I'm going to play it really slow, and then I'll play it a little faster. Ready, go. Second line. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Third line. 2, 3. Fourth line. 2, 3. One, two, three. 1, 2. Make sure you use your fourth finger, your pinky, on the third frets. One more time, Greensleeves Melody. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1. Third line. 2, 3. 1, 2. Fourth line. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Off. Here are the chords to Greensleeves. First, finger style, then with thumb, index, middle, ring, middle, index. Ready? Chords. Ba, 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 to G. Another G. A minor. Another A minor. E7, da, another one, second line A minor, da, da, to G, another one, A minor, E7, A minor, third line C, da, 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 da. Da 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 dee da 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 da. Fourth line C. Da da to G. Another G. A minor. E7. A minor. And strum the A. Put your pinky down. Now let's do it with arpeggio. Thumb, index, middle, ring, middle, index. Pretty slow. Ba, ba, second line. Third line, C. Da, da, da. Da, da. Da, da, da. Da, da. Fourth line. Strum your A. Good. Okay, let's do Let It Be, capo 7. Okay, we're going to do that thumb, index, middle, ring, index. I'll turn this way so you can see my fingers. Okay, when I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be. 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 Whisper words of wisdom. Let it be. Back to finger picking. And when the broken hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer. Let it be. For though they may be parted, there is still a chance that they will see. There will be an answer. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. be. There will be an answer. Let it be. Let it be. Sing louder. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Whisper words of wisdom. Let it be. Okay, remember, all three of these are to be done from memory, and I'll see you next week. Thanks.